So now I am going to teach 10th class mathematics. So as you know that if you see your textbook, 10th class textbook, total 14 chapters are there. Out of 14 chapters, first 1 to 7 chapters comes under paper 1 and 8 to 14 chapters comes under paper 2. Okay na? So if you go to the textbook, you can come to get the clarity. So now I will teach you paper 2 chapters. So as part of that, today we will going to discuss 9th chapter, that is tangents and secants to a circle. What is the chapter name? Tangents and secants to a circle. So before going to this chapter depth, let us concentrate on the two words. That is, what do we mean by tangent and what do we mean by secant? First of all, let us know what are these two words deeply. See, to understand better these two words, I will show you one thing. See, now mathematically, what it is, tell me. So don't say it is a sticker. So it is a line, isn't it? It is a line. So now tell me what is this. So you are saying, some are saying like it is a rectangle. So before that, go to the particular geometrical word. So compared to this is a line because it has only one dimension, length. That's why it is said to be line. Now it has two dimensions here, length, breadth. So we can say this as plane, isn't it? It is said to be plane figure. It's a line and it is a plane. Okay, now just to keep in mind, line, plane. Okay, now just observe this. By saying this, what can you say this? Of course, you will say that it is a wire. So mathematically, what we can say, it is a curve. It is a curve, isn't it? Just keep it in mind. It is a curve. Now tell me, just observe here. So you may say it is a lid, but if you observe this surface, how it looks. So it is curved surface. How it looks? It is a curved surface. So I have introduced four things here. What it is? Line. It is a plane, curve, curved surface. So what I have introduced here? Line, plane, curve, curved surface. Isn't it? Line, plane means it looks like this. Curve, curved surface means it looks like this. Isn't it? Now see here, just observe it carefully. I'm taking line and I am taking one curve. See, a line that touches the curve exactly at one point. A line that touches the curve exactly at one point. Isn't it? Just keep it in mind that. Suppose if I take a curved surface, a line that touches the curved surface exactly at one point. A line that touches the curved surface exactly at one point. Isn't it? That means a line that touches the curve or curved surface at exactly one point. Isn't it? A line that touches a curve or curved surface at exactly at one point. Then this line is said to be tangent. Then the line is said to be tangent. Isn't it? Have you understood? That means here, see, a line that touches the curve. This is a curve. So this is a line. Line that touches the curve at exactly one point. Now this line is said to be tangent. Or if you take the curved surface, see, if you take like this is a line that touches the curved surface exactly at one point. Then it is said to be a tangent. Isn't it? A line that touches a curve or curved surface exactly at one point are said to be tangent. Just keep it in mind. Not only this, if you take the plane, now see here, this is the plane surface. This is the plane surface. Now see, if you keep this plane surface, plane touches the curve exactly at one point. Just observe here, see. This line, this plane touches the curve exactly at one point. Not only this, this plane touches the curved surface exactly at one point. Isn't it? Now this plane, see a plane that touches a curve or curved surface exactly at one point. Now this plane is also said to be a tangent. This plane is also said to be a tangent. Now with this we can conclude one important thing. What do you mean by tangent? See here. Line or plane that touches a curve or curved surface. A line or a plane that touches a curve or curved surface at exactly one point are said to be tangent. Are said to be tangent to a tangent. Now let us take second word, that is secant. Second word, that is secant. Now see here, a line that intersect the curve at 2 points. The line that intersect the curve at 2 points. Is there any possibility that the line intersect the curve more than 2 points? More than 2 points. Rendu kante ekkuva cut cheyadaniki chance unda? Here it may not be, but see, curve may not be always like this. Sometimes the curve may be like this. See here. Sometimes the curve may be like this. This is also a curve. Now if I take this line, see, this line intersect the curve at 3 points, isn't it? 1, see here, 1, 2, 3. That means a line that intersect the curve at 2 or more than 2 points. A line that intersect the curve 2 or more than 2 points. Then this line is said to be secant. Then this line is said to be secant. That means here, this is a curve. So then this is said to be a line that intersect the curve at 2 points. Sometimes if the curve is like this, the line that intersect the curve at more than 2 points. More than 2 points also we can say that it is a secant only. Isn't it? In the same way, not only for this, so like that, a line that intersect the curve at 2 or more than 2 points, then that line is said to be secant to a circle. Secant. Then line is said to be secant. So with this we can conclude one important thing is that what do you mean by tangent and line that intersects, the line that touches the curve or curved surface, or plane that touches the curve or curved surface at exactly one point is said to be tangent. Or coming to the secant, what do you mean by secant? A line that intersects the curve at exactly 2 points or more than 2 points, then that is said to be secant to a circle. Secant. So today's class, just we have learned what do you mean by tangent and secant generally. So in the next class we will come to know what actually to the related to the circle. What do you mean by circle? With that we will come to the conclusion in the next class. So now in this class what we have learned, what do you mean by tangent, what do you mean by secant, very clearly by seeing the activities. So we will continue in the next class. What do you mean by tangents and secants to a circle? Thank you.